My child, not long ago, this forest forgot its roar. No stripes in the shadows, no cubs in the grass, only silence. But then they came, T1, T2, and T3, the founders of our bloodline. With them, life returned. Every roar stitched the forest back together. Yet beyond these trees lies the land of men, where fear and hope walk side by side. Now the forest sings again. The roar is no longer memory, it is legacy. But remember, little one, survival is not a gift. It is a choice we must protect every day. This is the story of Panna, where the tiger returns. A tale woven entirely in the fabric of emotion.